Hello, today we're gonna make a capybara. We need two marker and one black pen. We need a square paper. Bevel, take this edge and line it to the down. Bevel, unfold it. Bevel, take this edge and this edge, line it to the middle. Bevel, unfold it. Bevel, take this corner and this corner, line it to the middle. We'll unfold it and we will take this edge line to the middle and the other edge too. We'll flip it. Now we will take this corner, this edge line to the middle, and we will do the same step on the other side. We will flip it. Now we will take this corner and we will bring it to the down. We will unfold it every step we did. Now here we will bring it to down, and on this side we will push. Now we will bring these two down and we will bring it take this corner and bring it up. Now we will take this corner, bring it to here, and we'll repeat the same step on the other side. Now we will take this edge and we will line it to here, and we'll repeat the same step on the other side. Now we'll unfold it, these two, and now take this edge and we will line it to the up. Now we will take these two and bring in here. Now we will push. We will take this corner and we will bring it to here, and we will repeat the same step on the other side. We will unfold it. Now in here we will push down, and we will do the same thing on the other. And now we'll take this corner and we will bring it to here. And we will do the same step on the other side. We'll unfold it, and now we'll push these in. Now carefully we will pull the ears. And we flip. We will take these corners and we will bring not this line, but flip it up like this, and we'll repeat the same step. We'll unfold it, Now in here we will push them in and repeat the same step. Now we will color our capybara with our markers. And here we go, we made a capybara. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want, you can learn more origamis on my channel. Bye!